Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the lesson What can a dollar and 11 cents do from the Andhra Pradesh 6th class English content. My Dependence poem written by Dash. Answer Rabindranath Tagore. He had Andrew admitted to hospital. Choose the synonym of underlined word. Answer joined. According to the lesson, what can a dollar and 11 cents do? Who was Andrew? Answer Tess brother. Choose the prefix that suits the word proper. Answer option D improper. According to the lesson, what can a dollar and 11 cents do? We don't sell miracles here. Who said these words? Answer chemist. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded a knighthood award surrendered in dash year. Answer in 1919. Choose the prefix that suits the word happy. The answer is option B unhappy. I dashed that film before. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits the blank. Answer have seen. Tejaswini lent me dash interesting book. Choose the article that fits the blank. Answer an. Pavan is not so intelligent as Sekhar. Choose the comparative degree of this sentence. Answer Sekhar is more intelligent than Pavan. Rabindranath Tagore got a Nobel Prize in the following year. Answer in 1913. Choose the list of words in the correct alphabetical order. The answer is beneficent, beneficial, beneficiary, benefit. He took her money in one hand and held her hand with other. Choose the opposite of underlined word held. Answer released. Choose the prefix that suits the word managed. Answer, the option is B, mismanaged. According to the lesson, what can $1.11 do? What did Tess need urgently? Answer, he need to see movie. My dependence poem, how does the poet like to be? Answer, to be dependent. I am not responsible dash this issue. Choose the correct preposition that fits the blank. Answer, for. Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? Choose the part of speech of the word why. Answer, an adverb. The exact price of the miracle was dash. Answer, $1.11. He needed a costly surgery now. Choose the synonym of underlined word. Answer, required. Choose the prefix that suits the word known. Answer, option C, unknown. I have met you before. Choose the correct question tag of this sentence. Answer, haven't I? I want to see your brother and meet your parents. Choose the opposite of underlined word. Answer, disperse. Rabindranath Tagore was a dash. Answer, a Bengali poet. Match the following with the similar meanings. Answers, fortune, chance or luck. Sure, give a great number of things. Grace, an attractively polite manner of behaving. Embrace, hold closely in one's arms with affection. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.